Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hasnan and I'm gonna tell you all about Pakistan Consulate. Pakistan Consulate, Frankfurt. The address is Eschenbachstrasse 28 and the postal code is 60596, Frankfurt am Main, and open Monday till Thursday. Friday it's closed, and the telephone number is 0696986785, and opening time is 9 till 12, and the first Sunday of every month the consulate will remain open for documents submission, including renunciation certificate collection from 10 till 12, and documents collection from excluding renunciation certificate time 14:30 to 15, only for Pakistanis. For any information, you can call from 13 till 14 or Monday till Thursday. Every day you can call. And the website is www.pakmissionfrankfurt.de. Thank you everyone.